Hi friends, today I'm going to tell you what useful features may expand functionalities of radio and audio guide that makes the equipment even more advanced and solves more problems. So intercom capability may be added to the standard functionalities of radio guides. This update comes in handy when you may need a feedback from your audience. For example, it may be business events, delegation receptions at a production facility, workshops, or interactive excursions. How does it work? Receivers and transmitters come completely with headsets with a microphone. A speaker with a transmission normally conducts the event, and listeners with a receiver hear him or her via the earphones. But this way, we can increase the number of speakers up to 4 persons. And if a listener has a question, he or she presses the plus button on the receiver and speaks, and all members of the group will hear him or her. The second functionality expansion is Mixguide. This is a combination of radio and audio guide capabilities in a single device. In the radio guide mode, the guide or the person accompanying the tourist group normally speaks into the mic connected to the transmitter. The tourist hears him or her via their earphones. To switch into the audio guide mode, the only thing you have to do is to disconnect the mic from the transmitter. All receivers of the listener will automatically switch into the audio guide mode. This means that from the moment the tourist will listen to pre-recorded excursion content, tracks start automatically by GPS coordination in the open air or by Bluetooth tags. I gave more details in the CrystalSound audio guide review. At any time, the guide can return to the radio guide mode to continue the excursion or to give some organizational recommendations. To do this, just reconnect the mic to the transmitter. No equipment reconfiguration is required. The next functionality is an anti-theft system. It is very useful. For example, at the museum, the system prevents unauthorized removal of radio and audio guides even with a large flow of visitors. It notifies you when a person with an equipment is going towards the exit from the place of excursion. This allows you to remind the guest to return the equipment upon completions of events. How it works: a physical device or a program installed on a computer gives a sound signal if our device is within 3 to 10 meters from it. Advantages: first of all, it is easy to place. The tag is simply pasted on double-side tape or a magnet on both sides of the exit. Secondly, the scan radius of equipment may be configured depending on the conditions of a particular area, an open space, or a building. And the last but not least, the topic for today is branding. When you purchase the equipment, you can make it unique. Select your design, case and bottom color, a pattern, or a logo. Our designers would develop several layouts, and the printing house will make a high-quality application. No matter how unusual our equipment requirements are, call us or write us, and the CrystalSound team will help you find a solution.